Finally, we have something exciting to talk about as Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to be released very soon. The upcoming features, performance, and whether it's worth it or not to buy the upcoming S24 Ultra, you're going to decide after this video. First thing first, let's talk about the design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It boasts a sleek and premium look with a glass front and back, along with an aluminum frame. The device feels solid in hand and the placement of buttons and ports is well thought out. Moving on to the display, we have massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED panel with QHD plus resolution. The colors are vibrant blacks and deep, and the overall viewing experience is immersive. It also supports 120 Hz refresh rate, making everything feel buttery smooth. One of the major highlights of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is its camera setup. On the back, we have a quad camera system featuring a 108 megapixel main sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a periscope telephoto lens with up to 10x optical zoom and a depth sensor for portrait shots. On the other hand, the image quality is outstanding with sharp details, accurate color, and excellent dynamic range. Low light photography has also been improved thanks to Samsung's advanced night mode. The 40 megapixel front-facing camera captures stunning selfies as well. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 Ultra packs a powerful Snapdragon 895 processor, or equivalent to Exynos, along with 12GB 16GB of RAM depending on the variant. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and lag-free performance even when running an intensive apps and games. The device also comes with a generous amount of storage starting from 128GB up to 1TB, beating the iPhone 15 Pro Max that's also coming in the market very soon. And it also supports expandable storage via micro SD card. The battery life is immersive with a 5000 mAh battery that easily gets you through a full day of heavy usage. It also supports fast charging and wireless charging as well. On the software side, the Galaxy S24 Ultra runs Samsung's One UI 4.0, which is based on Android 13. The interface is clean, intuitive, and packed with useful features. Samsung's ecosystem integration is going to be top-notch this time, allowing seamless connectivity with other Samsung devices. The S24 Ultra also comes with under-display fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking along with face recognition technology. It's also worth mentioning that the device is IP68 certified, making it a dust and water resistance. Finally, to wrap it up, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is a true flagship smartphone that excels in almost every aspect. Its stunning design, immersive camera, powerful performance, and feature-rich software make it a top contender in the market. However, you should also keep in mind that it comes with a premium price tag, and if you're not a heavy user or in dire need of the latest feature, the Galaxy S23 or other more affordable options might be worth considering. But if you want to be absolute Samsung has to offer, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will not disappoint you at any cost. That's it for today's update. If you found this review really helpful, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. Let me know your thoughts on the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the comments below, and thanks for watching. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.